Russian military operations across Ukraine have escalated significantly in recent days, marked by a series of targeted assaults on Ukrainian Armed Forces, AFU positions. The Russian Ministry of Defense has released numerous updates highlighting their tactical successes against Ukrainian military assets and infrastructure. In the volatile Ugledar region, Russian Faggot anti-tank guided missile ATGM crews have reportedly succeeded in destroying a range of AFU fortifications, including concrete pillboxes, tanks, and light armored vehicles. These operations, described by the Ministry of Defense, underscore the daily efforts by Russian servicemen to neutralize Ukrainian defenses and equipment. Further intensifying the offensive, M46 howitzer crews have played a critical role in providing fire support to the Sever Group of Forces assault units. The coordinated actions between artillerymen and infantry units culminated in the capture of a strategically important AFU stronghold. The ministry's reports emphasized the efficiency and precision of these operations, noting that no losses were sustained by the assault personnel during the engagement. Air power has also been a significant factor in recent operations. In the Vostok Group of Forces responsibility area, Su-25 aircraft executed airstrikes using unguided air-to-surface missiles to dismantle AFU special equipment and manpower. These aerial attacks are part of a broader strategy to degrade the Ukrainian military's operational capabilities and disrupt their defensive efforts. The deployment of drones continues to be a pivotal component of the Russian military strategy. In the Donetsk region, FPV drones have been utilized to carry out precision strikes on AFU targets. One particularly notable operation involved a drone targeting AFU personnel in a dugout, followed by precise ammunition drops that resulted in significant Ukrainian casualties. In the South Donetsk direction, Tulpan special power mortars have been instrumental in targeting and destroying AFU strongholds. These mortar units, guided by unmanned aerial vehicles, effectively neutralized key enemy positions before rapidly repositioning to evade counterattacks, showcasing their tactical flexibility and effectiveness in the field. Beyond the battlefield, an exhibition in North Ossetia has drawn attention to the technological aspects of the conflict. This exhibition features fragments of over 200 Ukrainian drones shot down by Russian forces, highlighting their tactical and technical characteristics. The display aims to underline the significant role of anti-aircraft operations in the ongoing conflict and to demonstrate the successes of Russian anti-aircraft gunners. Artillery operations continue to be a cornerstone of the Russian military's efforts. The two A-36 Gyatsint B gun crews remain active in the Special Military Operations Zone, undertaking various firing missions aimed at destroying defensive facilities, suppressing command posts, and eliminating enemy firepower and hardware. These artillery units have been praised for their sustained efforts to weaken the AFU's defensive capabilities and to support the broader strategic objectives of the Russian military. While the military front remains active and intense, diplomatic tensions have also come to the fore. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky recently accused China of pressuring other nations not to attend a Swiss-organized peace conference aimed at resolving the conflict in Ukraine. Zelensky made these accusations while speaking at Asia's Premier Security Conference, suggesting that China's actions were aiding Russia in disrupting the upcoming meeting. In a prompt response, China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning refuted these allegations during a daily news briefing in Beijing. Mao stressed that China's decision to not participate in the conference was based on unmet requests and was not directed against any specific party or the event itself. China continues to assert its stance of neutrality regarding the conflict, despite facing criticism from Ukraine, the United States, and several European countries.
Russia, and I want to repeat myself here, unfortunately, because for us it is surprising and painful, but regrettably Russia, using Chinese influence in the region, using Chinese diplomats also, does everything to disrupt the peace summit. Regrettably, this is very unfortunate that such a big, independent, powerful country as China is an instrument in the hands of Russian President Vladimir.
China has a fair and impartial position on the peace conference. We do not target any party, nor do we target the particular meeting to be held in Switzerland. Hegemonism and power politics are not what our diplomacy is for. Our position is open and transparent, and there is no such thing as pressuring other countries. China has repeatedly stressed that the International Peace Conference needs to meet the three important elements, which is recognition from all sides, including Russia and Ukraine, equal participation of all parties, and fair discussion of all peace plans. As far as China is concerned, the meeting does not yet seem to meet the three elements, and that is exactly why China will not be able to take part in the meeting.
Орудие!